In this video, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make your videos to be more appealing. Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change your background properly. Meet me for the first time. Hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and all I do on this channel is to teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation and YouTube automation and ways you can earn using AI. So go ahead to like this video and also subscribe so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in straight into the class. So before we get started, let's talk about the things you need to do to ensure you have a smooth background. Number one, you need to make sure that you're filming on a plain background. For instance, see, there is absolutely nothing behind me. Let me show you. In fact, let me go out so you guys can see that. You see, there is nothing behind me. So whenever you want to change your background, make sure that your wall is plain or your background is plain. There is nothing blocking it or there is nothing obstructing you from changing your background. The second thing you need to do to ensure that you have a smooth transition of background or a smooth change of background is to make sure that you give yourself a distance between your phone and the background. Like, take me for an example. This is the distance between my phone and here is the background. Phone, me, background. Phone, me, and background. Can you see? These are the two major rules you have to follow so that your background or your new background comes out smooth and comes out without any glitch. Now let's go into editing and let me show you how you can change your background for free. Yes, for free. You guys love free things and I love bringing free things to you guys. So do well to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. So guys, let's go. So guys, I'll be showing you the apps that we are going to be using to change our background. The first one is the InShot app and the second one is the Capcut app. So I'll be taking you through the InShot app and show you how you can remove your background using the InShot app. Alright guys, so the first step is to go to your Pinterest to download studio background. Yeah, you can access Pinterest by going to your Play Store to download it, your Play Store or your Apple Store. So when you get to this place, you type in studio background. Right, and when you click on it, you're going to see different studio backgrounds you can use. So you can download or save any one of your choice. For instance, let me just click on this one, then I'll now click on these three dots and click on download image, and voila, my image will be downloaded into my device. Right, so this is how you can download your studio background. Alright, having gotten the background, I'll just quickly head over to the InShot app. If you don't have it downloaded, you can go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download it. So when you get to this app, you're going to see this interface, right? You click on video, you click on new. Let's import the background that we are going to use. You click on photo and import the background. For instance, I want to use this background. Then I will now do well to change the aspect ratio. Remember that the aspect ratio for YouTube is 16:9, right? So I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and drag it to fill in. Now that we have our background, first import our video. We are going to click on this particular background, then click on PIP. This PIP here, it means overlay, right? It is called overlay on Capcut. So when you get here, you're going to import the image. You're going to import the video of your choice. Let's say, for instance, I want to import this particular video, right? Then I now want to change the background of this video. What I will do is to tap on it, then go to cut out, right? When I go to cut out, I'll now click on cut out, and as you can see, it is cutting out. Then let's allow it to reach 100%, then we will see what it has for us. Alright guys, now that we are done cutting it out, what we are going to do is that we are going to zoom this. We are going to zoom it to fit in. You understand? Make sure it fits. Then I am going to go ahead to
add effects to it. Like I want the this thing to have some color and some effects. So what I will do is to click on filter. When I click on filter, I'll see adjust. Then I'll go to saturation, then increase. Can you see what is happening? Before it was like this, but right now you see I'll leave it at 30, right? Then what I'll do next is to extend this particular background to the end of this video. I'll extend it to the end of this video, you see. Then I can now play it for you guys to see. Can you see that? Can you see that? Now you don't have an excuse on why you cannot create your videos, because I get complaints from most of you guys that your background is not aesthetic, you don't have a quality camera, you don't have all those excuses. I don't want to hear it again. Now you can create your videos with aesthetic background by just downloading few pictures and merging everything together. So for us to export it, please, I always make reference to this in short watermark here. Make sure you remove it. Don't post your videos with watermark. It is not professional, right? For us to remove this in short watermark, we just simply click on it, watch an ad, and that's it, and we can now export. Right, guys, the second app we are going to be using to remove our background or to create fake background is the Capcut app. So you can access Capcut by going to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download it. So this is what the interface looks like. This is what the icon looks like, and this is what the interface looks like if you open your Capcut. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on New Video, and we are going to import our background. Let's say this is the one I want to use, right? Then the I'll go to my canvas and make sure that it is in 16 by 9. That's the aspect ratio. I'll change 16 by 9. Then I'll now use my hand to make sure it fits. You see what I did? So this is how you do it. And then after this step, we are going to import our video, and we are going to do it by clicking on this particular place. Then what we are going to do next is to click on overlay. So just go straight to overlay. You click on add overlay. Then you import your video. For example, this is the video I want to use, right? Then I don't want this my background to be showing. What I'm going to do is to click on remove BG. That's remove background. If you just go scroll to this place they say remove BG. I can't see it. Then you now say auto removal, and within seconds it will remove your background. You not even take up to 5 seconds. So once it's done, then you're going to click on this good sign here. You're going to click on this good sign here. Then you're going to use your hand to fit it. I see what I'm doing. Once it is fitted, you can now choose to add effects, maybe color grade your video so it doesn't look off. So once you come to this place, you tap on it, you can choose to add effects, just add things that can make this particular video to pop. So I'll just go to adjust. When I go to adjust, I'm going to see different icons. I can choose to sharpen my video. I can choose to increase the saturation. You see, make it so fine, and that's it. Then the last thing I'm going to do is to extend this background, because if you play it now,
How to change your
if you
background.
play it now,
You're going to be
can you see
learning
what's
how to
happening?
change your
It has removed.
background.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this thing to the end of this video. Wait, I want to extend it to the end of this video, and I'm going to remove this CapCut outro here. I'm going to remove it so that it won't be here. You understand? So that's it. We have our video here, and it is so fine. So guys, this is how you can remove your background with CapCut within few minutes. So we can choose to export our video, you can choose to export it, and within few seconds it will be exported. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you'll be using this in your next video. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, comment background in the comment section, and also drop the things you want to learn or the things you want me to teach you.
Yes, do well to comment them in the comment section, and I'll do well to bring it up in the next video. Don't forget that I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mwah.